Hello everyone. For the moment I've decided to record any gig log beginnings and endings here in the office until I get used to recording while I'm out and about. It's easier doing it this way. Anyway, today's gig log comes from Chichester Yacht Club, and it's a 30th birthday party. It was fancy dress and the theme was the 1920s. The client requested at the start of the party that I play some 1920s music, and then, well, between the client and our guests, with requests actually made before the party itself, I had very little to do in terms of getting myself ready. Anyway, I'll start by giving you a quick video of what the venue looked like, and then just a couple of videos of sort of the guests dancing throughout the night. Anyway, that was it for tonight. Everyone had a good time. I had a really good time as well. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to leave them below.